How to remove Facebook page from personal account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove or delete a Facebook page from your account step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the downward arrow button which can be seen beside your profile name. So here, you just have to select the page which you want to delete to. So here, just select it, and here, once you are inside the page and once you have switched your personal account to your page account, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen again. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and privacy, you simply have to scroll down, and there you can see the option labeled as page setup. So simply tap on it. Now here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as page access. And now here, if you want to remove yourself from the page, Facebook requires that someone else has admin access first. So here you just have to tap add new at the top right and then hit next and then type in the name of the person that you would like to manage the page, and they will receive an invite to become a manager. And here, after that person accepts the invitation, you can simply go back to the page access and find your own name, and there you simply have to tap on the three dot next to it. And there you have to choose remove access to remove yourself. Alternatively, if you want to delete the page entirely, you can simply go back to the page settings and you will find an option that says remove page or delete page. So just follow the on screen steps to confirm it. And that's it. That's how you can remove Facebook page from personal account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.